Even in the down times, he'd still tell us funny stories about his day.
It's a head-on between a Geo and a Vox.
Dad also had a way of making everyone feel important.
Go on, Dale. Tell him. Go on, tell him. Dale dug a hole.
Like the time I dug a hole.
Start of the patio.
Good on you, Dale.
And he'd compliment Mum every single night on her cooking.
Oh, hello. How's this, boys? Woohoo! What do you call this?
Chicken.
Yeah, it's got something sprinkled on it.
Seasoning.
Seasoning. Looks like everybody's kicked a goal. How are our backs feeling?
Steve did get them ergonometric chairs, and Mum had already started prettying hers up. Dad placed a great deal of importance on mealtime. He had a very strict rule. When the family starts to eat, the television is definitely turned down. But as soon as we finish eating, it's a different story.
That was great.
Dad, 7:30.
All right, time for some fun.
Dad reckons there's only one show better than Funniest Home Videos, and that's the best of Funniest Home Videos. It made Dad laugh, and when Dad laughed, his whole body joined in, and then we would too.
Oh, gog him, Red!
It was funny how on the fun nights, part of me got sad, because I'd think about my big brother in prison and wonder what he was doing. Wayne always reckoned he was doing fine, but I get the feeling he was missing us more than he was letting on. It'll be great when he comes home.